Alright guys, so a couple of weeks ago I got a email from a company in China called King Bolin. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they wanted to send me one of their generic scan tools in order for testing. So I thought I'd go ahead, show you guys the tool, do a little unboxing, and test it out on some field vehicles. So this one is the YA301 Enhanced OBD2 scanner. We have check engine light, O2 sensors, DTC reason, and battery monitor. So what we're gonna do is unbox it. It comes with an owner's manual, which I'll probably go through that later. And there's the tool. Now, first glance, the tool does feel nice in the hands. Has a little bit of weight to it. Comes with a screen protector. The buttons do feel nice too. This looks like I'm guessing battery voltage. I wouldn't say it's a battery tester. I don't think they would have put that in here. I'm pretty sure it would be a little bit more heavy than that. And it also has a USB port for, I'm guessing, probably updating the tool. Now it does come with a serial number onto it also. So you could probably put it onto their website and I'm guessing register it. But we're going to go through the owner's manual after to validate that. And I'll come back with that. So we're going to plug this onto a car and we're going to see if we're able to read anything out of the car. Alright, so we have a 2019 Kia Sportage that we're going to try this guy out on. Try it on a newer vehicle. And it does load up. Alright, so we have OBD2, we have DTC lookup, we have battery, we have settings, and we have info. So let's just press the battery button. Let's see what that gives us. And it gives us our battery voltage at 12.8 volts. And I think now if we go on to VIN, it's supposed to auto ID the VIN. The selected mode is not supported. Well, that's not very good. So now if I go to OBD, let's try that. It's detecting some protocols. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Helps if you turn the key on. That is my fault. Let's try that again. Mill status off. Monitor count, okay. So that was actually pretty good. Ignition type, alright. Let's check the VIN. And it does give you your VIN. So that's a nice little feature. We're going to back up. We're going to go to ECM PCM. We're going to go on to read codes, stored codes. No codes are found. There is no codes onto this one, so I'm not too worried about that. Pending codes and permanent codes. No pendings or permanent. And permanent, there's not going to be any. Let's go live data. Let's go all data stream. Hold OK button for 2 seconds to make the selected item in front. Alright. Let's see what type of data PIDs we have. So they give us some generic stuff. Mill status. Try focusing on this for you guys. There we go. Fuel system not used. Load 0. ETC is at 22. That's about right. Short term fuel trim 00. The car's not started. They give you the map, the RPM, the vehicle speed, the spark advance, the IAT, the throttle position, O2 sensor, location, O2 bank 1 sensor 2. Short-term fuel tank bank 1 sensor 2. So as you can see, it does give you quite a bit of data. So I'm not going to go through all that. And I'm guessing you can play back the data. If I press the IM, and it brings me back to there. So I don't think there is actually a record or a playback. If we go to graph display, what does that give us? It's not going to give us anything either. So from what I could tell, we do have some live data, which is nice. Freeze frame, I'm guessing if we actually had a code, that would work. I'm gonna try to see if I can't generate a code real quick for us. Hold on one second. Alright, so just for you guys, let's back out here for a minute. We're gonna go to read codes. We're gonna go to stored codes. There's nothing. We're gonna go to permanent codes. We'll see, there's no permanent codes. But I unplugged my fuel rail pressure sensor, which normally takes about a good I wouldn't say 5 minutes, but a good minute and a half for the system to realize that there's an issue. So we got a fuel pressure regulator control circuit in pending. So it does read codes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go replug in the fuel pressure regulator, and then we're going to see what happens to the pending code. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back again. So from what I can tell, you actually have to hold the button for a few seconds for everything to start working. Stored codes, we'll go pending codes, still pending. Permanent codes, there was none. We'll go erase codes. So we have to turn off the key, put the key back on, try that again. GCCs have been cleared. We'll go back, read the codes again. Stored codes, pending. And no pending codes now. So I just wanted to show you guys this little tool that I got on for testing purposes. And you never know, I might be using it to try to diagnose some vehicles in the future to see what we can do and what we can't do with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.